Y'all just calm down.
Our story of the day is More Than Me, the story of a 7-foot third grader, written by Nnamdi McDowell. Whoa, let's dive on into this one. Let's see. It takes more than your eyes to clearly see someone for who they really are. Nnamdi McDowell, great words, man. Whoa, what color is this? Yellow. Busy. Isn't yellow your favorite color? Yeah. Since Skip was so tall, everyone thought he should play basketball. Have you ever seen a third grader that was 7 feet tall? Whoa! Look how tall he is. He's 7 feet tall. Can we count to 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. His friends always laughed at how clumsy he was. When he tried to play ball, he would always trip. Whoa! He'll get back up. I'm pretty confident he'll get back up. Cause Busy, you're real clumsy too, brother. He lied. He was so embarrassed the next day. He tried skipping school and pretended to be sick. Why? Wonder why he's pretending to be sick, my little ones. I wonder why. Skip's mom will always tell him, be proud of who you are, no matter what people say. Now get up, get dressed, and get ready for the day. My little ones, get up and let's get ready for story time. Yeah! As Skip walked into the school, his big shoes covered the floor. He bumped his head at the top of every door. Wow, he is a pretty tall third grader indeed. Yeah. Almost tall as Shaq, KD, maybe Joel and B. Despite being so tall, there was always more to Skip than you could see. With your eyes, no matter his height, color, shape, or size. Whoa! I wish I was a little bit taller. Hey! His legs were too long. The desk was too small to sit. Skip was just way too tall for his legs to ever fit. Now, hold up, Busy. When you ever sat down at the desk? I don't even know how you learn at school. You need to fly down, sit at the table. Just calm down. Being so young and tall, Skip will always stand out. People focus on his height without learning what he was about. Why were they so focused on his height? It's okay to be different, my little ones. It's okay. Whoa. He'll get it together. Skip will get it together. Skip loved his music and playing his little flute that made kids smile. And with every whistle and every toot, 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 hey, toot, toot. Kids laughed and turned to cheers as they all began to dance. My little ones, let's dance real quick. Whoa! They all love Skip's true talent when they finally gave him a chance. Isn't that cool? They finally gave him a chance and they're all having a good time. I love that. You see what music does? It brings us all together. Keep story time. You see, everyone has a gift to the world that is special and unique. You could be very short or stand 7 feet. Whoa! Skip is so tall, y'all. Whoa! So never judge people by what they look like. Try this with all your might because Skip's gift to the world was always bigger than his height. And look at him having a blast at the 3rd grade band. You have everything you need inside of you to be great. So be great. Zaya, Zoe, Zurich, and Zidane, you have purpose in this world. Ding!